First, open the explosion-proof case. Take out the drone. Drone remote controller. 3 pairs of propellers. 5000 mAh battery. Battery manager adapter. Remote controller adapter. 2 data cables. Comes with instruction manual, packing list and operation guide. And the battery manager? First open the explosion box. Take out the remote. The remote control is turned on. Long press the power button to turn it on. Expand signal line. Expand the plane. Install the blades. Differentiated by the center of the blade. White marked blades, corresponding white motor. Blades marked in black, corresponding to black motor. Snap the blade into the buckle and spin the motor lightly. Complete paddle installation. After the installation is completed, confirm that the installation is firm. Ensure flight safety. Open ground station. Select the corresponding software. Aircraft power up. Short press first, and then long press, and then turn on the drone after hearing the power on prompt tone. Waiting for GPS search. If the number of stars searched reaches more than 20 stars, it can take off safely. 8. Toggle the operating lever to lift the oar. Push the left-hand rocker up. Airplane climb. Pull the left-hand rocker back. Plane landing. Push to the left. The plane turned left. Push right. Airplane turns right. The joystick in the right hand is pushed forward. Plane forward. Pull the right rocker back. Plane retreats. Right hand joystick to the left. The plane traverses to the left. Right hand joystick to the right. Plane traversing to the right. When the plane lands, pull the rocker slowly to maintain a constant speed. After the plane is grounded, pull the throttle lever to the bottom. Motor automatic lock propeller. Now what we see is the drone's hovering posture demonstration. Its hovering accuracy is plus or minus 1 meter. Maximum wind resistance speed, 12 meters per second. Ensures operational stability. Dual camera gimbal combination of 5MP wide-angle lens plus thermal imaging lens. Next is the demonstration of the 4-direction obstacle avoidance function. Obstacles can be detected in real time in the front, rear, left and right directions. The up, down, left and right on the screen refer to the drone's front, rear, left and right. After an obstacle is detected in the corresponding direction, the drone will automatically stop flying and maintain hovering. Wait for the pilot to replant the path. Multi-directional protection improves flight safety. The drone's maximum ascent speed can reach 6 meters per second. Quickly reach the target altitude. "20 meters per second high-speed cruise. Easily cover large-scale scenarios. Landing is equally smooth. Stable descent at 3 meters per second. From climbing, cruising, to landing. Full scenario speed performance is fully optimized. Meets diverse flight needs. Combines precise hovering, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and strong speed. This is the core strength of this drone.